In this video session, we will take one uh, problem, or we can say at a question to solve package mechanism, or how to use a package mechanism to solve any problem. First of all, the question is that write a package for games which have two classes. Means you have to create first package, that is the games, and it is having two classes, that is a class indoor, and you have to create two classes as output. Means you have to create here two separate Java files, that is first having the package name games, but it is having a class indoor, and second having the package name same as a games, but class has the outdoor. So separately create two such files, that is indoor.java and outdoor.java, and at the last you have to create these or import these packages into different program, that is for example import games, and then you have to create some class and you have to call these methods into your program separately. Now how you, what task you have to perform here? Use a function display to generate the list of players. Means you have to create a function display for both the indoor and outdoor classes. And what will be the task of it? It is generate a list of players for the specific games and use default and parameter as constructors. Again make use of a protected access specifier. Also use the finalize methods. So these are the some requirements regarding the package problem. Now we will solve this problem by splitting it into three parts. That is first creating the class as the indoor.java, second is the outdoor.java, and lastly create the third class which will import in these packages. Okay. Now we will start with writing the first class, that is the indoor.java. We will now start creating the first package or first Java class file, that is the indoor. Before going to that, we have to create our own package that we have given in the problem, that is the games. What is our package name? Games. So right here actually package, it is a keyword. Now you have to list your package name also. It is the games, it is a package name. Then you have to specify here the semicolon after completing it, because it is a user defined package creation. It is not a standard ready-made package provided by your Java system. Now what is the next? You have to create two classes, that is the indoor and outdoor. So first of all we will create class indoor, that is the public class indoor. Okay. Then in this you have to keep record of the different indoor games, and suppose for that we will take sample string like string type carom, and it is nothing but the array, and it is having the memory initialization, that carom type string type carom equals to new carom, and in bracket you have to specify the size here. For example, it is a 5. Okay. Now we will write next, that is we have to create the parameterized constructor for accepting these things. So we will create this constructor as a public, then specify here the constructor name same like a class name indoor, and then we will specify or we will accept different types of games indoor here, that is for example p q, then string type r, then string type s. Okay. Now we will accept these into our basic carom array, that is for example we will write here like carom type 0, we will store the first name, that is the p. Carom type 1, we will store the next, that is the q. Then carom type 2, that is the r, and carom type 3, that is equal to s. We have accepted the different indoor games from the user or names of the different indoor games from the user here. Now we will create separate function, that is the display that we have given in the program. That is, we have to create a display function, and that is nothing but the public void display. Okay, now what does this function actually does? It will displays the values of different names of the indoor games. So it will actually display the indoor names. Okay, then we will complete the whole class. Now what is the next mechanism? Keeping this package name same means you have to write the same, you have to keep the same package but having the different class. For example, that is the public outdoor. For example, public class outdoor. Okay, like the indoor, you will take the same, for example, outdoor type uh, game name, that is for example a football. Then you will list out the same atoms like that of the indoor games. And now I will show you what is the third mechanism where you are using the packages for the programming. That is, by creating the separate program, means separate class, this package, that is the games package, is imported like other import statements. This is the import. You have to import your package name, that is for example games. Okay, for example it is a games dot star, means dot star indicating it is importing here both the indoor and outdoor classes as a part of a package. Now we will create here our public class, for example package demo, and coming into the next we will create the main method, that is the public static void main, and bring in bracket string args having the a. Now what actually task we have to perform? We have to create the object of the two classes, that is the indoor and outdoor. For example, indoor type I and outdoor type O. Okay, here what we are actually performing, while creating the object, you all knows that when constructor is initialized, that constructor is auto called with the object creation, and that is for example indoor type I equals to new indoor, and you will accept different names of the indoor players in this bracket here. Now outdoor type is also like new outdoor, and in bracket you will accept different outdoor games player names, and at the last you have to only call the functions like I dot display and O dot display. Okay, and completing the main section and completing the main class. Here it is the actual demo or representation of how to create a simple package and how to import it into the another user defined same programs, and this is all the mechanism behind the package programs. Thank you so much.